Perfect results every time. Never over or undercook your food again. The Anova Precision Cooker Pro circulates water at the exact temperature required for perfectly cooked meals, no matter what's on your menu. What to cook? Sous-vide, pronounced sue-veed, cooking offers the perfect level of doneness for nearly any food. Chicken, fish, vegetables, eggs, beef, lamb, pork, and more, are all ideal foods for sous-vide circulation. The ability to lock in flavor and moisture during the cooking process results in texture and taste that is second to none. Our most powerful sous-vide cooker, the Anova Precision Cooker Pro, was ruggedized to thrive in the most demanding of kitchens, able to heat up to 100 liters of water when in a covered container, and run for a minimum of 10,000 hours straight. Constructed of stainless steel, it is drop-tested and IPX7 rated. Drop it on the floor or dunk under water, and you can keep on cooking, no problem. Easy to use. Simply attach the precision cooker to your own pot or container, fill the pot or container with water, add your food in a sealed bag, and cook manually with the built-in controls or with the Anova app. Customer experience. Designed in San Francisco, California. Anova delivers thousands of sous vide recipes for free in the Anova app, created for cooks of every skill level by award-winning chefs and home cooks alike. Included components: Precision Cooker Pro and clamp. Top reviews from the United States. Efficient and precise. I do RD food tests at my job. I am a corporate chef in a meat factory. I use the Anova 1200 watts precision cooker on a daily basis and it's a delight. Precise and consistent. Easy to use. Great results. As a meat specialist, I totally recommend this unit, especially if you cook in big quantities.